here is an example of an at-line unit. And for anybody that's working in the biscuit or cookie industry, you would be familiar with the check station that we have here on the left. And this is typically how product QA is conducted in a lot of cookie facilities, but not just cookies. In the early days when I worked in the bakeries, this is how we used to do buns, the same way. We would take 6 samples off a line, we would measure them, weigh them, to try and assess, okay, what's the overall quality of the product that we're producing on the production line. But on a bun line, for example, where we might be producing 1,000 buns per minute, taking 6 samples off every 10 or 15 minutes was really a very small sample and often wasn't representative of the process. And it would take some time to be able to measure those products. But in this case, using the at-line system, I have the ability to measure the products much more quickly and collect more data. So I can collect a larger sample size, which may be more representative of the product. But of course, the ultimate goal would be to have an online system where I am actually inspecting 100% of the product and being able to gather data for that total production that we are producing. And I know when we switched from the at-line systems in the bakeries going to the online systems, we say that it kind of blew our mind. We thought we had a good understanding of what our process variability was, but when we got 100% of the data, it kind of scared us a little bit. We went, wow, we thought the parameters were here, but in reality, we were out here. But at least we had accurate data then that allowed us then to make some changes and see how we were able to improve the process.